Hello friends, I've learned a really fast way to make red enchiladas, and I have done it from scratch, clear to making my own enchilada sauce, but it was always a little lengthier than doing the sour cream green chili enchiladas. And so I tried it the other day on family and they thought it was delicious. And we're going to teach you how to do this. So what we've got is taquitos. And this is 56. It takes only half there's a 26 or a 56 thing. Package is the way it's frozen, and I'm only going to take half of it. And think of the principle again. You've already got, I prefer enchiladas with corn tortillas. And you've got your corn tortillas and your meat, and it's already rolled. And then I drained black beans, okay? So you just take black beans and spread it evenly. Perfect. Then I grabbed, whoops, you can tell I made a mess here, but this is a small onion. I've chopped a small onion. This was a white onion. You can chop any that you have. Yellow, red, brown, it doesn't matter. All right, now you take a 15-ounce can of nacho sauce. And the nice thing about this recipe is you can do it simply with things that are in your freezer and in your pantry, but you can also regulate the heat by putting, if you want hot nachos, or if you just want the cheddar cheese sauce. I chose cheddar cheese sauce, and I've got mild enchilada sauce. But you're going to put this on. Just get everything out of the can and spread it around. You want to get all the good stuff? Wonderful. Okay. I'm furnishing these for a funeral tomorrow. Most of the church ladies are making the green enchiladas. This will be a variety here. I've got one of my favorite enchilada sauces, but it's mild. And you've got a can, I believe it's 28 ounces. What is it? 1 pound, 12 ounces. And you just put it over. Now there couldn't be anything easier. Let me rinse my hands. And then we top it with whatever cheese you prefer. I've got a Mexican blend here, Colby Jack. I really like this cheese. And you put as much or as little as you happen to like. We all enjoy cheese, and so I'm putting at least 2 cups on a 9x13. Now, have you ever seen enchiladas made any faster? We'll put this in a 350 degree oven for probably 45 minutes to warm everything through totally, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. I hope you'll try it. We've really enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Hello. We have already taken the enchiladas to the first funeral to donate for the family dinner, and I forgot to take a picture of it, but I assure you they look very good. And I think if you try it, you will love the recipe. I hope that they enjoy the enchiladas. I also helped a daughter-in-law out who was taking chili beans. She had to be out of town. I said, oh, let me make them for you. She browned up the meat really well and seasoned her meat and said, Mom, if you'll just make a pot of beans and add these to it. And I did. And my seasoning for my chili beans was taco seasoning. Rather than show you how to make the taco seasoning, I'm putting a description and a picture of all of the ingredients, and I would encourage you to make it. If you'll make it, I think you will enjoy it. I think it'll come in handy to help you create tacos or any Tex-Mex. And like I said, I used it as my seasoning for the chili beans today. It was a very meaty chili bean that we were taking to go along with the enchiladas. So try it. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm sorry that you didn't get the last shots and that I haven't had time, but we're off to another funeral. So thank you for watching. And if I haven't asked, subscribe and push like if you enjoy anything of the content of this video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.